Hey everybody, Doug Goff here at MarineMax in St. Petersburg, and this afternoon I want to give you a walkthrough of the 231 Hybrid by NauticStar. We're going to start back here at the stern, powered by the Yamaha SHO VMAX 250. This thing is a rocket ship. It is good to go in any conditions. Very ample power for this boat, 23-foot boat. This boat checks all the boxes. You also have back here, you have all this area when it's folded down for fishing. Got your cooler here. All three of these seats will fold up for when you're not fishing and you want to have your family or your friends out on the boat. You got stainless steel cup holders, grab rails. You got JBL speakers everywhere. Fresh water for all your rinse downs, for when you're getting on the boat, the different areas that you want to be able to rinse the sand off your feet, for your live wells. Here at the helm, you've got this beautiful white powder coated hardtop, rod holders, rocket launchers everywhere, four here. You've got dual flip up Boaster helm seat, which is amazing. You've got premium infinity sound system with the JBL speakers. Down below on both sides of the boat, you've got rod holders and your grab rails for whenever you're sitting. Comes with the big cooler. Here at the helm, we've got your 9-inch Simrad screen, your infinity sound system, your 9-inch Simrad screen. All of your switches and controls are here. Beautiful helm, beautiful helm seat. All right, here at the bow of the 231 Hybrid by NauticStar, you can see there is just so much room for entertaining. This is a great seat to be in. This forward-facing seat here on the front of the helm is actually where your bow live well is. So that's just a great place to have that. It's a great use of space. You got JBL speakers everywhere, stainless steel cup holders everywhere, stainless steel grab rails. All of these pads can come off for when you want to fish. This whole bow area is set to be fishing off of as well. And then you've got your anchor locker there, more stainless steel cup holders, stainless steel cleats. So the 231 Hybrid checks all the boxes. This one is ready to go, ready to get you out on the water with your friends and family and make your boating dreams come true. Give us a call here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. We love you, and we'll see you at the marina. Thank you.